If you've ever written something in Grammarly and noticed your sentence feels a little flat, vague, or just not as strong as it could be, passive voice might be the reason. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to correct passive voice misuse in Grammarly using two simple methods. We'll cover the automatic suggestions Grammarly gives you, and then we'll also use the AI chat side panel to force a rewrite into active voice. This is a really useful skill if you want your writing to sound clearer, more direct, and more professional. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's talk about the automatic suggestion method, because this is usually the fastest way to fix passive voice in Grammarly. When Grammarly detects passive voice in your writing, it often highlights the sentence with a colored underline. In many cases, you'll see a blue underline for clarity suggestions, or sometimes a yellow underline depending on the type of issue Grammarly is flagging. So the first thing you want to do is look carefully through your text and find the underlined sentence or phrase. Once you spot it, click directly on the underlined word or sentence. This opens Grammarly's suggestion card, and that card will usually explain why the sentence is being flagged. In this case, Grammarly may show you an active voice version of the sentence. For example, if your original sentence says, "The error was fixed by the user," Grammarly may suggest changing it to, "The user fixed the error." That new version is stronger, clearer, and much easier to read. Now all you need to do is review the suggestion and make sure it still matches what you wanted to say. If it looks good, click the suggested green text in the card, and Grammarly will apply the change immediately. That's it. Your passive sentence is now converted into active voice without you having to rewrite it manually. This method is great when Grammarly automatically catches the problem for you, but sometimes you may want more control over the rewrite. That's where the AI chat side panel becomes really useful. If Grammarly doesn't give you the exact fix you want, or if you want to rewrite a longer section of text, you can use the AI prompt feature instead. To do that, start by selecting the text you want to change. Use your mouse to highlight the sentence or paragraph that contains the passive voice. You don't need to select the entire document unless you want to rewrite a larger section. Usually, selecting just the problem sentence is the easiest approach. After you highlight the text, look at the right-hand side of the Grammarly editor. You should see the AI chat panel there. Depending on your version of Grammarly, it may be labeled Ask AI or Generative AI. Click on that section to open the prompt box. Now, in the prompt field at the bottom of the side panel, type a simple instruction like, "Change this to active voice." You can also be more specific if you want, such as, "Rewrite this sentence in active voice and keep the meaning the same." Then press enter. Grammarly's AI will process your request and generate a rewritten version of the selected text inside the side panel. Take a moment to read it carefully. This is important because AI suggestions are helpful, but you still want to make sure the tone, meaning, and grammar are exactly what you need. If you like the result, click Insert or Replace to automatically swap the passive text in your document with the new active version. If it doesn't sound quite right, you can adjust your prompt and try again. For example, you could ask it to make the sentence shorter, more formal, or more conversational while still using active voice. Here's a quick tip. Passive voice is not always wrong. Sometimes it's useful when you want to emphasize the action instead of the person doing it. But if your goal is clearer and stronger writing, especially in emails, blog posts, schoolwork, or content creation, active voice usually works better. That's why learning how to fix passive voice in Grammarly can save you time and improve your writing quality fast. So to recap, the first method is to use Grammarly's automatic suggestions by clicking the underlined sentence and accepting the active voice version. The second method is to highlight your text, open the AI chat panel, type a prompt like, "Change this to active voice," and then replace the sentence with Grammarly's rewrite. Both methods are easy, and both can help you clean up passive voice in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Grammarly how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.